Good morning, everybody. I hope all are fine. And on 29th April, I have uploaded your monthly test question paper in our school website, parentsalarm.com. I hope you have given your monthly test exam on a particular copy. And after opening our school, I'll check everybody's monthly test copy. Remember that? So for that, I would like to tell you you should give your monthly test on time and according to question pattern. Remember this. Now today I'm going to teach you decimal, and today's topic: definition of decimal, expanded form of decimal, convert conversion of decimal to fraction, conversion of fraction to decimal, like and unlike decimal number, conversion of unlike decimal to like decimal number, and one simplification. So let's start. So first we have to know about decimal. What is a decimal? So listen, if you read this definition, you'll get a fraction whose denominator is 10 or higher power of 10. That is 100, 1000, lakh, 10,000, etc. And this type of number is called decimal fraction. So denominator will be 10 or multiple of 10. Remember that, 10 or multiple of 10. And we are going to get here two type of decimal number. One is whole number part. In our decimal number we'll get whole number parts and we'll get completely decimal part. Which number is called whole number part of decimal number? See, when after decimal there will be only 0. See here, first I have written 56.0, next 241.00, next 79.000. It can be many different type of number, 5.00000 like that, but after decimal it should be always 0. This is whole number part of decimal number. Now decimal number is when after decimal also you will get a particular digit without 0. That means see here 415.82 and here 0.87. You can write 3.3 point, you can write 3.705. This is also decimal number because after decimal there is so many digits, 7, 0 and 5. Remember this kind of number is completely contained in decimal part. Now I'm going to explain here expanded form of decimal number. Before going to this, I think you have learned this table. Place value, according to place value we are going to get here hundreds place value, tens place value, ones place value, and for decimal we are going to get here new place value, that is tens place value, place value, hundreds place value, and thousands place value. So remember this: in tenth place value it will be 1 by 10, hundredth place value it will be 1 by 100, and thousands place value it will be 1 by 1000. Now we are going to explain here with one number. See here 4.5006. It will be 4 first because there is a whole number. First is a whole number, then 4, then plus. After plus, here see after decimal which digit is first? First digit is 5, so 5 by 10. Then next digit is 0, then 0 by 100. Next again there is 0, so 0 by 1000, and 6 present in fourth place digit. That's why 6 by 10,000. So according to this way we have to write in this form. Similarly, one more example I have taken here, that is 700 first. Don't write here 7 plus 6 plus 8. We have to write 700 first according to place value, 100 place value, 7 present in 100 place value. For that 700 plus 6 present in tens place value, so 60 plus 8. 700 plus 60 plus 8. Then after decimal 1 by 10, 1 by 10, then 9 by 100, then 8 by 1000. In this way you have to express all the given decimal number. Now how to convert a decimal number into fraction? Okay, see here it is given 4.56. So 4.56, first we have to convert into fractional form, that means p by q form. So for that case, for decimal in denominator we have to write 1, and after decimal here is 2 digit, that means 5 and 6 2 digits, so we have to write 20. If after decimal there is you will get 5 digit or 4 digits, so you have to write that according to number of digit, number of 0. If after decimal there will be 3 digits, so 30. If after decimal 4 digits, so 40. Like this way you have to convert into fraction. So it will be 456 by 100. Now if we simplify by 2, it will be 228, and if you simplify by 200, it will be 50. And remember that when you are going to simplify any given fraction, you have to simplify by the same number, numerator also and denominator also. Remember this. Now again 228 and 50 you can simplify by 2, then again you will get 114 by 250. Now this is a simplest form of fraction. So remember this, in this way you have to convert into fractional form decimal number. Remember this. Now fraction to decimal, how will convert fraction to decimal? It is very easy, because see I told already, that is how many zeros is there? 20. So before 2 digit decimal will come. See 0.13. Sorry, here printing mistake, that is 1 will come, 113 by 100, that means 0.13. And here how many 0 is given? Only 1 0. So always you have to start from left side. Remember this, you have to start from left side. So 8, so 8, then 1 0, that's why decimal, then 4.8. But when in denominator there will be 80, without multiple of 10, you will get in denominator any number, 80, 25, 5, 7, 9. In denominator if you will get in this kind of number, you can convert into decimal number by simple division also. By simple division also you can convert it. So in this way you have to convert. Remember this, with the help of this you have to complete your this chapter, decimal chapter. You have to complete this chapter. Remember this. Now I'm going to explain here like and unlike decimal number. Like and unlike decimal number. Before going to explain this, I would like to share which kind of fraction, which kind of decimals are called like decimal, and which kind of fraction decimal numbers are called unlike decimal number. So like fraction like decimal, that means after decimal this decimal number is also one kind of fractional number. It is called decimal number because when we are going to express a fractional number with decimal point, then we are going to call it is decimal number. So remember this, both are same, only little difference is there. So like decimal will be 17.06, 9.45, 123.89. see here, if you will see, then you will get after decimal number of digit, same 2, here also 2, here also 2. When for any kind of decimal number you will get after decimal same number of digit, then those decimals number will call like decimal number, otherwise unlike. For example 1.2, see after decimal only 1 digit, here after decimal 2 digit, here after decimal 3 digit. So they are not like decimal, they are unlike decimal number. They are unlike decimal number. So like decimal, when after decimal number of digit will be same, when after decimal number of digit will be same. Remember this. Now how to convert unlike decimal into like decimal? Unlike decimal, that means see for example 1.2, 3.49, 856.236. This is unlike decimal number. So we have to convert into like decimal number. Like decimal number, it will be decimal. I have written here fraction. Like decimal number. So see after decimal we have to make same number of digits. So first we have to check here after decimal 2 digit, here after decimal 2 digit, here after decimal 1.2, that means 1 digit, here after decimal 2 digit, here after decimal 3 digit. So here highest number of digit after decimal 3. So after decimal we have to make for all the number 3 digit, 3 digit, 3 digit, because highest number of digit is here 3. So 1.2 and after decimal we can take 0. So that's why I have taken here 20. So after decimal 3 digit completed. In the same way here also 490. 10 is needed because already 2 digit is given, and here no need to take any digit because already it is given with 3 digit. So 1.200, then 3.490, then 856.236. In this way we have to convert by adding 0 after decimal digit. We have to add some number of digit as 0, then we can convert into like decimal. Otherwise it is impossible. Remember this. We need this one for simplification, addition and subtraction. We need this. So I am going to explain here addition. See here addition, you will check. For addition and subtraction, we should arrange all the given decimal number. For addition and subtraction, we should arrange all the given decimal number into like decimal number. When question will come to you, add this number, first you have to arrange all the given number into like decimal number. Then only it will be easy for addition as well as subtraction also. See it is given 5.97, here 20.199 and 0.9. and remember this one thing, after decimal we have to read all the digit individually, like 5.97. You cannot say that 5.97. It will be wrong. So you have to tell that 5.97, 20.199, then 0.9. See now after converting into like decimal number you can add. See I have converted here 5.970. Then 20.199, then 0.900, then easily you can add because you know addition. In the same way for subtraction also, 3.5 you have to subtract from where? 34.012. here after decimal how many digit? 3 digits, so we have to convert into like decimal 3.5. so see first we have to subtract from 34.012, that's why I have written here 34.1012, then 03.500. if you will subtract, then you will get 30.512. So remember this, for addition and for subtraction it is necessary to convert into like decimal number. Now for arranging any decimal number in ascending order as well as in descending order, again we have to convert into like decimal number. We have to convert into like decimal number, then only you can arrange all the given number in ascending order as well as in descending order. See for example I have taken here one example. Arrange in ascending order 7.2, 77.25, 0.07 and 0.7 and 7.3. They are not present in like decimal number, so we have to convert into like decimal first. See I have converted 7.20, 77.25, 0.07, 0.70 and 7.30. Now I think easily you can arrange in ascending order as well as in descending order. So I have arranged here all the given decimal number in ascending order. 0.07, then 0.70, then 7.20, 7.30, 77.25. This is ascending order. So remember this. For addition also, for subtraction also, and for arranging in this ascending order as well as in descending order, you have to arrange all the given decimal number into like decimal, then only you can do it. Now for multiplication, it is very easy. See, when a multiplication will come to you with the decimal number, it is very easy. No need to multiply with the decimal number, just you multiply 2 3 4 5 6 without decimal and 76, it just to multiply. And after multiplication you have to count how many digits are there after decimal. See, you will count here how many digits here after decimal, 2 digit, and here after decimal only 1 digit. So ultimately how many digit? Total number of digit 3. So after getting the result for multiplication, you have to put from the left side, from the right side you have to come left side, and you have to count number of digit. How many? 3, because after decimal total number of digit 3. So see here, that's why I've written 2 3 7. See, after decimal how many digits is here? 3. So this will be the correct answer for decimal multiplication. Remember that when multiplication will come, it is no need to multiply with decimal number. If you are willing to multiply with decimal number, no problem, you can multiply with decimal number also directly, but without decimal number also you can multiply, and after getting the result you can put decimal point according to number of digits. See here, number of digit 2 and here number of digit 1, so total number of digit 3. So after decimal there will be 3 digit after getting the result. Remember this. Now for division also same way, simple division you can do but when this kind of form you will get 25.05 divide by 2.5, in both place decimal is there. So for this you have to take out decimal from division. So how? See, after decimal how many digit is here? After decimal only 1 digit is here, only 1 digit. So this decimal will come after 1 digit. So see, I have written here. Just you check this one, then only you will get how you have to take out this decimal number from division, and after this you can divide your given number. Thus, in this way you have to divide. Now simplification. How to simplify? See here, this is the simple number. By Bodmer's rule, always you have to simplify any digit, any given simplification you have to simplify by Bodmer's rule. So that's why I try to divide first, then addition, then subtraction. So bracket 1 you have to do first. See here 0.222, but see in divisor also 1.1, so you have to take out this decimal. So I have taken out. See, you check this one, then only you get. And here first I have added these two number and then subtraction. Then next we have to divide, and after divide, see 3.5, 8 minus 6 minus 0, and then divide by 0.2. Then if you will divide, you will get. You can check this one. Then see here 8 minus 6 minus 1.5 divided by 2. And after getting the result 1.5, you will divide by 2, will get 0.75. And see here 8 minus 6 minus 0.75, and see here up 8, here 6 also present in negative form and 0.75 also present in negative form. So we can we can take out this minus sign as a common, then we can convert into plus form. And after getting this result, we can do here in bracket 1.25, then again see in divisor 0.5. So again this decimal will come this side, this decimal. See, this is very important. This is only very important. This, see, I am marking here this line. You check this line nicely, because of this one. This line is very important. This two, as well as in this line also very important. This, see, only division you are going to do mistake here in division only. Otherwise you can do in addition also, subtraction also. So when you are going to divide any decimal number, be careful. Be careful. Okay, and this way you have to complete your decimal chapter. I hope everything is clear for you, and don't waste your time. Use your time and practice more, because you have now enough time for study, practice only can make you perfect. So remember this. Thank you and God bless you. Take care.